Hello all, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Shotcut for video editing purposes on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Shotcut video editor, download, hit enter. So that will show you the shotcut.org. So just go to their official site. Once when you are here, you will see that our Shotcut is available for Windows on Intel or AMD CPU, or it is also available for Windows on ARM CPU and for older version of Windows as well, that is version 7 and 8. And if you are using Linux or Mac OS, so for that also we have all these links. I'm going to download it for Windows on Intel or AMD CPU. So for that I'm going to click on Windows installer, and it's going to redirect to the SourceForge page and it's going to start downloading within 5 seconds. And here you can see that our Shotcut is rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm going to cancel it. I'll go to my download directory and here is our Shotcut and the file size is 130 MB. So to install, just double click on Shotcut. And here is our Shotcut installation wizard. Here you can simply click on install for all users, which is a recommended one as well. Going to ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes. And here is our Shotcut license agreement. You must read this, then click on next. So this is where our Shotcut is going to be installed, totally fine. Click on next. Here you need to select all these options and click on next. So ready to be installed, click on install. So that's going to immediately start installing our Shotcut. So it's going to take a couple of minutes. Let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. So we'll come back. So now you can clearly see that our Shotcut is rightly installed. Here is our Shotcut desktop Shotcut. So click on finish. So that's going to launch our Shotcut. And you can see that our Shotcut is rightly open. So you can maximize this. So this is the interface of our Shotcut, and start editing on Shotcut. So for that you can click on this open file and you can browse a video. So recently I have taught a video on dev C++. So here is that video. So I'm going to open that video right over here. So here is the video that is rightly opened. So you can drag this and you can put it on your playlist. You see, you have successfully put it under playlist, right? And video is also playing, so you can pause this. Next thing that you need to do is you need to put this video to your timeline. So for that, select the video first and then drag it and put it over here. As soon as you do that, you're going to see like this. So here is our video and you can see it is right on our timeline. We have this zoom timeline over here, so you can decrease it or increase it from this button by dragging this. So here is our entire video. So let's say I want to edit this video, right? So how to do that? So first let's say I want to cut a section from here. So this is blank section, you can see, and these are all audio waves. So I'm going to select this video first and I'm going to drag it right over here, and I'm going to click on this icon. So that's going to split this video into two halves. You can see you have a section over here, so first half, second half. Next I need to put my pointer right over here, and then I'm going to select this video and then I'm going to split it again. So now you can see it is split into three halves, right? So this portion I need to delete because it is a blank section, it don't have any waves, so no sound. So I just press my delete key on keyboard and then I can just simply drag it and join these two video. You can see it is joined, right? Similar way I can select this first portion and I'll put my pointer over here. I'm going to split it into two and I'm going to select the first part and I'm going to delete it, and then I'm going to drag it and I'm going to make it a single video file, right? So that's how you edit a video. You can also try and test with all these different options like append or new generator or copying and pasting or delete simply or taking a snaps, right? Next thing that you can do is you can add a transition. I'll expand my timeline a bit, not that much. So this is fine. So I'm going to add a transition over here, right? So I'm going to select it and I'm going to drag it like this, and now if I just simply play it over here, so I'll play it from here, and immediately it's going to start installing. That's just a video playing in the background. So let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. You're going to soon see a transition coming at this position. See, a transition came, right? A dissolve transition. So that's all you can do on Shotcut. You can do many things actually. Let's see how to export. So you go to this export and you select one type. So I'm going to post it for YouTube, so I'm going to select YouTube and I'm going to click on export file. So I'll give my video name, so I'll name it as out, and it will be .mp4. Click on save, and you can see that our video is rightly started exporting. So here you can see it is rightly started exporting, right? So it's going to take some time. So you basically understood the point how to export a video. So that's how you install Shotcut and you can start editing your videos. You can see it's going to take about 20 minutes on my system. So you understood the point. If you're also interested in Python, I highly recommend you to follow this playlist. So all these videos are completely free, and if you're interested on WordPress, so that also you can watch. And detailed source code that I have showed you on all these videos are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So all this code you can directly use to your project and you can start practicing your Python. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.